we have a new sound to learn today. So I do first. This sound is ch. Okay. So ch is a digraph. It is two letters that make one sound. So when you see C and H together, that makes the ch sound. So as in the word chip, 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 I hear ch, it,
Chip.
chip. There's my ch sound. I'm thinking of the word such, such, such. We got C, H says ch. Okay. So air writing fingers ready for me? Yep, that's everybody. Air writing fingers ready? Yep. All the way arm, straight arm. That's it. And we're going to say CH says ch. Okay. CH says ch. CH says ch. Look away. CH says ch. Okay, 3 times. Last time look away.
Today we're going to learn what a suffix is.
Yeah.
Can you go over to the word cracker, please, for me? Let's write a noun. Let's write, I don't know, dog. Some people have more than one dog, which means they have...
Dogs.
Can you please find the suffix s, magnet, and pull it down and put it in the end? There it is, yeah. Now mate, that's the suffix s. What it's done, it's changed the meaning of dog a little bit. It's changed it from one dog to what?
2 dogs.
Or many dogs, yeah. That's what suffixes do. They change the meaning of the base word a little bit. Now, have I used the word base word with you before?
I think once or twice.
You probably hear me start to joke a fair bit.
Yeah.
Okay, the base word, the word we started out with before we put a suffix on it was...
Is always the middle word?
Well, in in the cracker, it'll always be the base or the root in the middle, and I'll teach you about roots another time.
Yeah.
But what was the base word, mate, before you put the suffix on?
Dog.
Good, and you changed its meaning slightly by adding the suffix?
S.
Well done. A suffix is a letter, but sometimes it's more than one. Sometimes it's 2 letters. So a letter or a group.
Oh, letters.
Jake's onto it. Come on, Jake, keep telling me.
A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of the base word. It changes their meaning slightly.
Can I send you back to the cracker? Because suffix s doesn't just have the job of turning things into their plural, which means more than one. One dog. It's got another job. Get back over there, would you? Rub dog out of the middle.
Yeah.
We're going to get the noun out of the middle. So I'm going to give you a sentence.
Yeah.
I ride my bike and Jake ride his bike. Oh, that didn't sound right, did it? I ride my bike, Jake ride his...
And Jake rides his bike.
So I ride my bike, that would be okay in that sentence. But what did I have to do if it was Jake ride his bike? It was Jake...
Rides his
Pull down the suffix s so that would work. So there's another way suffix s works. Sometimes it helps a verb work in a sentence.
Yeah.
And you haven't got a card for a verb yet.
Yeah,
Jake, hit him. What's a verb?
A verb is an action to a repeating word.
Alright, mate, you just used the cracker like a boss. You've used suffix s, which
Yeah.
is lovely. So suffix s is a suffix, and it changes the meaning of the
word.
slightly. Good man. There are 2 types of suffixes. Oh, this gets exciting. So we have 2 types of suffixes. You were dealing with suffix s, weren't you?
Yeah.
S is a...
Consonant.
So there are some suffixes that start with consonants.
Yeah.
What do you think the other suffixes start with then?
About.
Good boy, and we call those...
A vowel suffix.
Now,
Consonant suffix.
there's a beware sign on your vowel suffix card.
Yeah.
You don't need to know too well why that's there at the moment, but you've got to watch out when you're adding vowel suffixes to words. And Jake knows why. He's only just starting to do this.
Core, snore, bore, shore,
Lovely. Okay, what's the vowel sound on the end of all of them?
or,
Okay.
Bill, do you have any tissues?
How is it spelt?
O-R-E,
What's the vowel sound in all of those? Can you get it on its own?
or,
It is or, but how is it spelt in those words?
A-L-T-A-L-L.
So you already know
Or
that an,
A-L.
yeah. So you already know the letter A in front of vowels can make or. So we've got the same sound, but here it's spelled O-R-E. Here it's the A. Well, mate, you already know about that. So that's our newie. Where does or get used? Which position in words?
At the end of a word.
What word would you like?
Snore.
So, yeah, I like that one. Do you snore?
My dad does.
All right, mate. Well, you've got the whole card because O-R-E only spells or.
Read me our learning intention today. Okay. Or is in the middle. So I'm going to use my AU spelling. Okay, what was this word? Well done. Alright, so anything is ready. Repeat after me. Say taunt. Watch me. Or root word trapped, meaning drag or pull. Root word port, meaning bring or carry. Root word rot, meaning break. Root word form, meaning shape. Suffix ed, meaning past tense already happened. Part of speech verb. Suffix meaning plural more than one. Part of speech noun.
We will learn the meaning of the root word struct and use our knowledge to encode and decode words using this morpheme.
Alrighty, so our root word is struct. You can see I've got the dash on either side of my root word because I can put a prefix before and a suffix after to make words. And our root word struct means build. So root word struct meaning build. Can you please write that down? Alrighty, over here I have got our matrix. And on our matrix we have got our prefixes, our root word and suffixes. And these are ones that we have learnt. Alright? First word I'm thinking of with our root word struct is the word construct. So con, our prefix con, means with or together. Struct means to build. So construct means to build together. So to gather materials and build them together. Okay? When you're thinking of our Latin root struct, if you think of the word construct, you'll remember struct means to build. So construct means to build together. Alright, root word? Struct. Meaning?
Build. Struct, struct, struct.
Good, so the destruction caused by the volcanic eruption left thousands of people homeless.
We are going to do our vocab word of the day. Okay, do you remember in the novel we've been reading, George's Marvellous Medicine, Grandma was beckoning George to come closer? Okay, so that is going to be our word today, beckoning. Okay, beckoning. Okay, this word is beckoning. Say it with me.
Beckoning.
What's this word?
Beckoning.
Now, beckoning means to use a hand signal to get someone to come closer. We'll do the definition together, then you can do it by yourselves. Okay, ready? Beckoning means
Beckoning means
to use a hand signal
to use a hand signal
to get someone to come closer?
To get someone to come closer.
All right, good. Discuss. Think about a time when you were being beckoned by someone, someone was beckoning you, or you were beckoning someone else. All right? Little minute. Someone was beckoning me and your reason, or I was beckoning someone and your reason. So get ready to share. Okay, who we got? Sajad.
I was beckoning my baby sister to come to me so I can hug her.
Okay, so Sajad was beckoning your sister?
Yeah.
So you could give her a hug. All right, thank you. Arlene.
I was beckoning my sister so I could do her hair.
Arlene was beckoning her sister so that she could do her hair. Last thing to do, show me what you look like if you are beckoning someone. How would you look if you're beckoning? Yeah. All right, thank you, 3B.